Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase email open rates with Constant Contact, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on your dashboard. Select the email campaign you want to improve. Begin by analyzing your current open rates. Identify trends in your audience engagement. Create targeted groups to enhance relevance. Next, craft compelling subject lines that grab attention. Use action-oriented language to create urgency. Keep subject lines concise to ensure they're fully visible on mobile devices. Incorporate personalization by using the recipient's name. This simple touch can increase open rates significantly. Now, focus on your sending frequency. Experiment with the timing of your emails. Monitor when your audience is most active. Run A/B tests to determine the best sending times. Make sure to refine your email content. Maintain a clear and engaging layout. Use high-quality images and relevant links. Incorporate engaging calls to action that prompt further interaction. Ensure your emails are mobile-friendly. Preview them on different devices before sending. Next, consider the importance of a clean email list. This will help improve your overall open rates. Utilize Constant Contact's analytics to track performance. Check which emails have the highest open rates. Use this data to inform future campaigns. Lastly, encourage recipients to whitelist your email address. This increases the chances that your emails will avoid spam folders. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.